Let's solve a linear scale problem step by step. We are told that the R scale and S scale are linearly related. When R is 6, S is 30. When R is 24, S is 60. We want the R value when S is 100. Let's plot these 2 points on a coordinate plane to visualize the linear relationship. We will draw the axes and then plot the 2 points. Step 1. Find the slope. The slope is change in S over change in R. We compute 60 minus 30 divided by 24 minus 6. Step 2. Build the linear equation. We use S equals M times R plus B. Plug in the point 6, 30 to solve for B. So the full formula is S equals 5/3 R plus 20. Now set S to 100 and solve for R. Subtract 20, multiply by 3, then divide by 5. Therefore, the R scale value that matches S equals 100 is 48.